Hi everyone, welcome to Sushma Anil's beauty channel. Today I am going to talk about hair. We should invest in our hair. It is the crown which we never take off from our head. That's why the hair is called the crowning glory. The hair is usually dead, but it is a scalp from where the hair grows, and that's what needs to be taken care of. We should massage the scalp with the oil, we should shampoo the scalp. Whatever we can do the best for the scalp, we should do, so that we will have very nice, very beautiful, very long hair. So today I am going to show you the oil that can help in growing the hair. For this you need coconut oil. This is olive oil and this is almond oil. You can see very clearly that there is a difference between the almond oil and the olive oil. Olive oil is dark in color, whereas almond oil will be a bit lighter, and the coconut oil is usually colorless. You can have 1 cup of neem leaves or curry leaves. One tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. The proportion to make this oil is, if you are taking this measurement, you can have like this: 1 bowl of almond oil, 1 bowl of coconut oil and 1 bowl of olive oil. In that you are going to mix 1 bowl of curry leaves and 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. All this you have to mix it together and then keep for boiling. Boil so much that the leaves, they will become black. Even the fenugreek seeds, they will also turn black. Then you can just close the fire and let the oil cool. Whenever you want to apply this oil on your scalp, just warm the oil and then you can massage the scalp with this oil. Later on you can shampoo it, say after half an hour. You can use this oil 2 times in a week and you will see the results very fast. In this oil you can add camphor. If you add this camphor, then this is going to take care of your scalp in case you are having itchy scalp or you have a dandruff on the scalp. Camphor is very good to remove the itchiness and the dandruff from the scalp. So what you can do is, once your oil is ready, let it cool and you can put, say, if you are having like these camphor tablets, then around 10 tablets you can put it in the oil and leave it. The camphor tablets are going to dissolve slowly in the oil and you will see the result of this particular oil. Very nice. You will have very beautiful hair, very long hair, and at the same time you will be getting rid of the dandruff and the itchiness from the scalp. So here we see that it is the scalp that we are taking care of. If we take care of the scalp, our hair will start growing long and long and long. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please like it, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Face mask, you need oats, you need honey,